Good day, ladies and gentlemen. May we call on Leonardo Raulas, best in pulutan.
哎呦我的妈
May we call on Carvin Kumbok, makiling sa best in scrubber. Again, may we call on Leonardo Raulas, best in absent.
Tomorrow, day 2, day 3, day 4.
Carvin Kumbok, best in body odor. May we call on again Leonardo Raulas, best in pizza making. Once again, may we call on Carvin Kumbok, best in leg. Muli, mula sa pangkat masipag, may we call on Raniel J. Balanza, best in manginginom, major in red horse. Muli, tinatawagan si Raniel J. Balanza para sa best in argument. Mula sa pangkat Aquino, best in person, Kimberly Siata. Again, may we call on Kimberly Siata, Best in Tantrum, Major in Toyo. Again, mula sa pangkat Aquino, may we call on Kimberly Siata, Best in Laundry. Again, from the kindergarten department, may we call on Baby Franiel, Best in Pupu. May we call on again, Baby Franiel, Best in Babebe. Again, from kindergarten department, may we call on Baby Franiel, Best in Puya. May we call on Jared Siata, Best in Tude. May we call on Franiel J. Balanza, Best in Kodipot.
So yun mga ka-food vibes, mga ka-pizza, konting commercial lang tayo. We do supply pizza, lahat ng mga klase ng pizza, unique type ng mga pizza. Supplier po kami, direct manufacturer kami, and then 100% homemade. We do offer different kinds of pizza. The branding, ready-made pizza po. Iba-ibang klase ng size po. We will make sure that quality talaga at kalidad ng mga produktong siniserve po namin. And then at the same time, may mga unique product po kami ng mga pinibenta, and then raw materials. Like shawarma supply, mga dough, mga sauce, like this one. Pizza chips, yan. May limang klase po tayo ng flavor yan, pizza chips. It's a pizza dough, thin crust pizza dough. So made from dough po ito, itong pizza chips na to. Tsaka 1 month to 5 months po siya. Easy to sell. At meron tayong different variety of flavors dito. May limang klase po tayo. Marami pa po tayong mga product na upcoming, and then at the same time mga unique product like pizza bucket, pizza burger. So marami po kayong pagpipilian. Check our page for more info, and then we're looking forward to see you.
Follow below for more.
We are the dreamers.